Again. Now we're going to head on to what Mark does on his daily training routine. Whatever that may be, it may change from day to day depending on what he feels needs to be worked more on the knuckles or the sides of his hands, or what do you call that, dear? Pomchete. But he's going to give you a demonstration of how he has worked up to this. Now in our previous videos we've shown you how you start off slow. Week 1, week 2, week 3. You just gradually keep increasing that, which Mark has done. Now this is where Mark is now compared to those beginning strikes. And I have worked him out pretty hard today, so he may not do as many as he normally would, but he'll show you at least the velocity. Notice the difference in the power of the punch. Thank you very much, Mark.
You're very welcome.